In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a jewelry Shopify website. First, open the Shopify website in your browser and log into your account. Once you're in the admin, look at the left-hand menu and click Online Store. This is where you control the look and feel of your site. From here, you'll see your active theme and a Customize button. Open the Theme Customizer. In the header or theme settings, locate the site title field and enter Handmade Jewelry, or your brand name if you already have one. This title appears in your header and browser tab, so keep it short and descriptive. Now, customize the theme to reflect your style. Upload your logo by selecting the logo section in the editor. A transparent PNG usually looks clean on different backgrounds. If the logo appears too big or small, use the size slider in the theme settings to adjust it. Next, fine-tune your colors and fonts. Choose a simple color palette that complements your pieces. Think soft neutrals for a minimal look or rich tones for a luxurious feel. Prioritize contrast so text remains easy to read, especially for buttons and pricing. Before you add products, preview a few pages in the editor to make sure the layout works for jewelry. Larger product images, clear price placement, and a prominent Add to Cart button. Help shoppers decide quickly. When you're happy with the basics, it's time to upload your jewelry items. Go to Products in the admin, click to add a product, and upload high-quality photos. Use bright, sharp images on a neutral background. Include at least one close-up to show detail, and add a lifestyle shot if you have it. Write a clear description that covers materials, size, finish, and care instructions. If the piece comes in different sizes or metals, add those options as variants. Set the price and, if relevant, the compare at price to show a sale. Repeat for each item you want to sell. As you work, use the Save button in the product page and also in the Theme Customizer to lock in your changes. A quick refresh of your storefront helps you confirm everything looks the way you expect on desktop and mobile. That's it. You opened Shopify, logged in, went to Online Store, entered Handmade Jewelry as your title, customized your theme, uploaded a logo, adjusted colors, and added your jewelry items with strong photos, clear descriptions, and accurate pricing, then saved your work. You now have a polished jewelry storefront ready for visitors.